Welcome back to Bartender Sessions at Brass Hall. I'm Eric. I'm going to be making a special drink, something I've kind of more or less perfected at home, we'll say. I call it the Choc Old Fashioned. Basically an old fashioned, focused on the chocolate side. Instead of using a rye, we're going to be using a bourbon, but this is a rye bourbon. Fire Oak Distillery puts out this small batch Texas bourbon right down the street in Liberty Hill. Love the place, love Guy, the owner there. But this bourbon has a very nice sweet tone from the corn, 70%, and 21% of it being rye gives it that nice spice to it. Make a perfect addition to this drink. I'm gonna start by taking my mixing glass here, adding some ice, and we're actually gonna take 2 ounces of my bourbon here. Take a little bit of bitters, Angostura, Agave Nectar, I'd say that was about a good ½ ounce, and last but not least, a little bit of chocolate, just plain old chocolate syrup. Now, there's a trick to this. You don't want to aerate it. You don't want to shake it up and get all those air bubbles in it. You just want it to mix. Best way to do that, a little bar spoon, going in a circular fashion with some ice. So that's mixing. Got my old-fashioned cup. I'm gonna lip it with a little bit of lime from the wheel. Stir some more. Hit this guy with my ice cube. That's looking like it right there. Now, strain this puppy right into here. And you'll see how thick that comes out looking. The best part about it being this is a bourbon, brand new oak barrel casks, freshly charred, brings out that nice vanilla and caramel feature. Very delicious color. It smells literally like chocolate covered butterscotch. The chocolate old fashioned. Come in and see me for one today.